Do not eat bread. Prepare this delicious and healthy recipe for breakfast. In a bowl, add 1 cup of oats and 2 eggs. Add also 1 cup of milk and mix well for 3 minutes to blend them together. Now add 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Take a moment to write me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on watching our recipes. We'd love to know. In a pan, drizzle some oil and spread. Pour the mixture in and spread it using a spatula. And if you're watching this video, you're loving our recipes, then like the video and share it with your friends. It will help us a lot. Cover with the lid and leave it to cook on minimum heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, flip it to cook the other side. Pour on top tomato sauce to taste and spread it. Then add ham slices on top. See how easy this recipe is? Try it at home. I'm sure you won't regret it. Put some cheese slices on top of the ham and sprinkle some oregano. Cover with a lid and leave it to cook for 5 minutes to melt the cheese. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked this recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.